Hey everybody, Wren here, and today I have with me via the interwebs Stacey in London. Say hello, Stacey.
Hi everybody, great to see you, Rena.
Great to see you too. Stacey is a yoga teacher, been teaching many years, and I've been working with her on audio options for her live online yoga classes via Zoom, and we've come up with a great option for you. So what she has, I'm going to ask her to remove it. She's got it clipped on. I'm going to ask her to remove it. Is the Hey mic. And this is a Bluetooth mic that works with PC or Mac for recording or for broadcasting on Zoom and live streaming. And she's going to clip it on there. And what the cool thing about this is, inside her settings in Zoom, she can go inside the Zoom settings and set the mic to this mic, but she can set her speakers to her computer speakers. And what that allows her to do is speak and be able to be heard by her students through the Bluetooth wireless mic, but also have the ability to hear her students if she has them unmuted and they might have a question. And I've been getting this question a whole lot from yoga teachers. So we're going to test this out here. So Stacey, go ahead and stand up and walk back toward your wall.
Yeah.
And then talk to us as you're walking.
Okay, so I'm going back just a couple of feet. I've probably gone back maybe three feet or so.
Okay, now turn around and say something. Turn your back to me.
Okay.
And talk so we can see how it works when you have your back turned.
Okay, so I'm just gonna say anything you want me to.
No, it sounds great. Turn back around.
Wonderful.
Now move around a bit like if you were teaching a class, like arms up and down.
Okay, so for example, raising the arms and then slowly lowering the arms back down again.
Yeah. Now do like a forward fold.
So again, I'm just raising my arms as though I was going to cue in class and then falling gently into the forward bend.
Yeah. So you can see there's really not much rustling around. When she moves, there's not much. Now take your arm across the front of your body like we did earlier, something that would come kind of in front of that microphone, and talk while you're doing it.
No worries. So I'm just raising my arm sort of to that kind of height. I'm crossing that over so it's slightly impinged or covered by my arm. Can you still hear me well?
Yeah, so good. So now go and leave the room and shut the door, and then just walk about your house a bit and tell us where you are. And
no worries.
The other time we did this, you went downstairs, and if you have the opportunity to step outside even, and let's just see what happens. We won't be able to see where you are, but you can talk to us.
No worries at all. So I'm going to go outside, and I've just gone into my hallway, and now I've gone into another room which is adjacent to the room that I was in, and hoping that you can still hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay. And I'm going to go downstairs now, and you'll see again, I'll talk, but I probably won't be able to hear you, so we can check this out.
Okay.
So I'm just walking down the stairs in the hope that there's not going to be any major noise. Well, actually, I'm coming downstairs and there's music in the background, so people might talk. Hopefully they won't, because I'm online at the moment. I've come all the way downstairs. I've got music, and then I'm going out towards the garden. And I'm just stepping outside a moment, so I'm quite far away and right below the house outside. And then I'm going to come back in again. My boys are behaving really nicely. They're not talking too much. And I'm going to come back up the stairs. And here we go. I'm back up again.
That was amazing. Okay, so when you walked out in the hall, there was a little bit of noise in terms of, I don't know if it was just the walking of it, but it really wasn't bad at all. And then when you went down the stairs and you said there's music, I could hear like barely, I heard no voices. Like the ability of this to cut out background noise is really, really pretty good. So I think this is a great option. I want to thank you so much, Stacey, for joining us to show us that demo. And we've just had a ball getting to know each other. And you know, if we have more questions for you, we may have you on again. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so much.
So as you can tell, I am a huge fan of the Hey mic. Another cool feature it has, in addition to the clipping on part, is that you can use this little magnet and attach it that way so that it doesn't actually have to clip. It just attaches with the magnet right to your garment. Let me know if this has been helpful for you today. Like this video, comment, subscribe, definitely click the bell so you can be notified of all the new content that I'm putting out just for you. I hope you're doing well. Bye for now.